Hi everyone, I'm Rajan Chaudhary from Manzil Immigration. Today I will talk about documents required for F1 visa. The F1 visa is a US student visa, non-immigrant, required by international students who wish to study in the US. So, however, if you enter the USA through this visa, you are required to complete the whole duration of the course. Only the US embassies and USA consulates outside the USA have the authority to issue F1 visas. No other governing body or agencies can issue F1 visas. So, however, for extensions in stay or changes in the status of the applicant can be done within the US through legitimate agencies. Further, the spouse and or children of the F1 visa candidates need to get the dependents F2 visa. The F2 visa holders are not permitted to join any form of employment, although the children are allowed to attend public schools. Since the visa procedure is a strenuous process, you should start applying beforehand. As soon as you receive your admit card or acceptance letter from the university and the I-20 form, you should apply for F1 visa. Once you receive the acceptance letter from your preferred US universities, you will be registered with the SEVP, means Student and Exchange Visitor Program, and have to pay the one-time application fee SEVIS service. Once you make the payment and all dues are clear, you will receive the I-20 form from the university, from the institution. The I-20 form will act as a supporting document to prove that you have enough funds for your entire stay duration, as there is a limited number of legal employment opportunities. This form will also serve as the medium to schedule an appointments for your interview with the local US embassy or consulate. Before we share the list of documents required for the F1 visa interview, we would like to reiterate that you would not be asked for any documents other than your application, your appointment letter. However, being prepared is always advisable, and you should keep these documents handy for that one in a million chance of the interviewer asking to see any document. Also, file them neatly so that they are easily accessible. In addition, your original passport should be readily available, as you would be requested to submit the same. Set 1. Personal information. Passport, current and all the previous ones. MRV fee receipt. Visa interview appointment letter. DS 160 confirmation slip with the barcode clearly visible. Service fee receipt. Passport size photograph as per regulations mentioned. And if I talk about set 2, educational documents. Set 2, educational documents. Your academic transcripts like class 10th and class +2 certificates and mark sheets. Your GRE, GMAT, SAT, SCO record. Your IELTS, your TOEFL, your PT's scorecard. Bachelor's degree, provisional degree, certificate or course completion certificates or mark sheet for all the years, as well as the consolidated mark sheet if applicable. And set 3, work related documents if applicable. If you have an experience joining letter, salary slips for last 6 months, relieving letter. And if I talk about set 4, financial documents, loan approved letter if applicable, saving bank account statement recommended last 3 years, fixed deposit certificates recommended last 3 years, tax returns for the past 3 years, property documents, residential, commercial, and farmlands, etc. So these were some details. If you want to apply for F1 visa, which documents you need. If you want any kind of information from us, any kind of guidance from us, you can share your profile on our WhatsApp number 99146 15605. Or for other queries, you can also comment in our comment section. Our expert counselors will properly guide you free of cost. We don't take any kind of charges for counseling. For more details, you can visit in our branches on the name of Manzil. Thank you so much.